Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the double CCI indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the double CCI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 26 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We've also tested a total of 392 indicators with a total of 160 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 160 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with this here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the double CCI indicator. And so you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I think the way we are going to try this one, and we might end up trying this one in a couple of different ways, we'll see. But I think the initial test is what we'll do is a cross of the two lines. And so basically you have a CCI, one quicker than the other. And so we are looking for like when the red line crosses down below the blue line, we will go short. When it crosses up above the blue line, then we will go long. And so like I said, we'll try that first, and then depending on how well it goes, we may try it another way using these kind of overbought, oversold type marked lines here. So, all right, let's go ahead and get on with the testing. Like I said, we'll see what we get out of this one, and then we will go from there. Let's see here. So, this one right here, there, it's going to be our first. It's going to be a long right there. The red barely crosses up above. If you look at the coordinates over here, see the coordinates changing there. If I hover over this bar right here, you can see the red hit 138.371 the blue was at 138.358. So the red just barely crossed up over top of the red there, or the red crossed up over the blue, sorry. All right, so that's a long, and unfortunately that one does end up stopping us out. So let's go ahead and continue on with it here. So here on this side, so we get across to the upside right there, and then as it crosses back down below, we would have actually picked up a short right here. So we got to be mindful of that as it crosses up and then jumps right back down. Then this right here would have been a nice short, definitely getting us to take profit there. Then we pick up a long over here on this side. Nope, that one is not going to get us to take profit either. And then over here we do pick up a short, and that one does get us to take profit. Continue on with it here. Let's see, right there, pick up a long. Don't think we got to take profit. Nope, we did not. Same kind of setup where we get a long, then we get a short pretty soon after that one, getting us to take profit. Then we pick up a long right there on that one. Losing trade again. And a short right there. Long right there. Finally, a short right there. That does get us to the take profit. Then we have a long right there. That one works out for us finally. Got a decent long. Go ahead and continue to play this forward some. Pick up a short right there on that one. I don't think that, nope, does not get us to take profit either. Then it flips to the long side over here. That one does get us to take profit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some of the video out here. That way things don't get too long, and I will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to the Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platform quite a bit rather than TradingView, be a very handy list for you to have. Our admins and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of areas of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out there for everyone to see. And one new thing that I've been doing recently is I put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so the Excel sheet will show exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And so you'll get that full list, as well as the full list of indicators that we've tested with their win rates, which ones were winners, which ones were losers. So a lot of great, wonderful information and benefits to becoming a patron for the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, so let's see about this indicator here. Everything framed in, and we'll count them out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So we have 39 trades altogether, 39 signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 winning trades. And so, yes, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. You can see that this indicator was almost every time it gave a false signal, it would give a winning signal, or vice versa. When it would give a winning signal, it was almost always giving a false signal. And then you get these clusters of losing trades, which really was a nail in the coffin. So this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.